If you want to add app password on Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click the three bars at the top left or the three horizontal lines, and then click the settings on the left hand menu, the last option. And then what you're gonna do next, go ahead and click the privacy and security. And you're gonna see right here under the two-factor authentication, you're gonna see app password, and as you can see I've already set to. Go ahead right there and then click add app password. Right, I'm gonna just go ahead and enter the app password. Let's say for example hi, and I'm gonna hit the check mark to allow access to your direct messages. And after I enter a unique name for this app password, or use the random generated one, in my case I'm gonna use that one, hit next. Right, let me enter that, hit next right here. And as you can see, this is my app password generated automatically. I'm gonna just copy it, and whenever I do anything, I'm gonna be required to add the app password, so I can use this to sign into the other app along with your handle. So for security reasons, you won't be able to view this again. If you lose this app password, you will need to generate a new one. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.